The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to create a new program in Curriculog. The first step after logging in is clicking New Proposal. Navigate to the appropriate form. For this one, we're going to do Undergraduate New Course, or New Program, excuse me. Click here for Start Proposal. First step is always to turn on the help text. Since this one is adding a new track, we're going to import from the catalog an existing track and make edits to that. It'll make it much quicker making these edits in the system. So first you're going to select Program, select Import, choose the catalog, and we're going to search by name, do Mathematics. Uncheck Exclude Previously Imported Items, and then click Search Available Curriculum. We're going to import the traditional track. And then we're going to click Import this item. This should actually be a shared core. So there it's going to import, and this is going to do the traditional track. So all you need to do is change the name here to the new track, what that name is. Then make sure the program description is accurate. Type that in here. Type in a rationale, your program learning outcomes, and please make sure to number those. Next are routing questions. So please make sure to select those correctly. No, this is not nursing. No, this is not a College of Ed course. Choose the program location, the desired effective semester. If you're wanting this to be in the catalog for next year, please make sure to select that it's inactive and hidden, so that way it will not appear in the catalog that's posted this year. Choose the appropriate answer here. Next, you'll attach your assessment plan. To attach any files, go back up to the top, click here, choose your file, select your file, and then click Upload. To confirm that it's been attached, you'll see that it's here. Scroll back down to where you were, and the next is the program curriculum. Here are all the courses that are associated with the program. The schema here is how it's built into the catalog. So here's an example. Here's the traditional track. This is what appears. So you have course, and you can name them different things. The cores are what's in blue, and then you add the courses under each core there. So for here, first you need to make sure all of the courses that are going to be in the program appear here. If they're not, you can import them if they're already in existence, or you can add those. So if you click Import, it's going to take you to the catalog, and you can search for all math classes. Make sure you uncheck Exclude Previously Imported Items, and then click Search Available Curriculum. Here will all be all the math courses, so if there's any courses that are not in the list here that need to be, you can select those. And you can also select multiple by clicking multiple. After you select them, you'll just scroll down. It shows you what you're going to put into the proposal, and you click Add those courses to the proposal. If it's a new course that you're proposing, you can add that here. Type in the prefix and code and the name. And then you click Add Course, and it'll add that course to the list. So after you've verified that all the courses that are associated with the program are here, now you're going to go build the schema. This is how it's going to appear in the catalog. So as you'll see, this one right here is for the traditional track. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to update that to the track that you're changing it to. And then here's the requirements. That's when you add the courses that are up under it. So right now, since you've imported in, that's all the requirements that are along with the traditional track. If those courses do not belong there, you need to delete those out here, and then add the courses that are supposed to be there. You just go through building it how you want it to appear in the catalog. To preview it, you can just click here, and it's going to show you how it's going to appear in the catalog. All of these fields can move. These are locked because that are the core classes, so the only thing that you're going to edit is down below. You can move these over, so if you want to slide things, you can do that as well. If you want to make that even, you can do that. All of that can be edited. And to edit any of the titles, you just click in those fields, and you just add the courses where they go. After doing that, you're going to make sure you attach your program map. Go back up to the top, attach there. After doing so, click there. Finish answering all the questions, and then you're going to launch. You have two things that you can do. If you want your peers to review first, you can launch the proposal and it makes it live. Then you can share the link with other peers and they can review. Or if you're ready for it to move on to the next step, after you launch it, there'll be a little check mark that appears on this side, and that's where you can make your decision. Once you make your decision, you cannot edit it until it comes back into your queue.